Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's make the animal advance. Here's the black bear. Ah, what the heck? The black bear! I get my first here. Ow! Mauled by a black bear. Okay, let's go on the next. It's the brown bear. Ah, what the heck? It's the black bear. Mauled by a brown bear. It's the polar bear. The largest. There's not this. Mauled by a polar bear. Let's go on the next animal. This is the tiger. Ah, the horrible! What the heck? Eaten by a tiger. Okay guys, let's go on the next animal. This is the hairy animal. The white tiger! Oh my gosh! Oh. Eaten by a white tiger. Look at this. They're doing this wooden ladder. This is the lion. Ah! What the heck is the lion? The desert animal. What the heck is the lion? Where's this? Eaten by a lion. There's the jaguar. What the heck? The jaguar. Wait, I cannot doing that. Eaten by a jaguar. Oh my god. Learn your feet slow and short. There's the leopard. What the heck is the leopard? We're gonna get doing that. Hunted by a leopard. Okay. The black bull. What the heck? There's the not bull. Look at this. Look here. Trampled by a black bull. There's the brown bull uncle. What the heck? No. Where's this? No. You're not doing the technique. Oh, no. Trampled by a brown bull. There's the rhino. The rhino! Where did it attack me? Mauled by a rhinoceros. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, let's go. Another animal. There's not taste. The moose. Ah, what the heck? The moose. We know where the moose. Trampled by a moose. Oh my gosh, sure there's the moose attack me. There's the Benson. Ah, what the heck? Oh my gosh. Trampled by a Benson. Benson. There's the antelope. What the heck? I can get hit you. You get attack me. Oh my gosh, you're gonna do not. Kick it by a gnu antelope. Okay, there's the wild boar. Look, so cute, pretty cute. What boar? What boar? No! Oh my gosh! Where they this? No! Oh! Mauled by a wild boar. Next animal. This is Cassowary. What the heck? No! Where can I go? Rape opened by a Cassowary. Okay, with this. Oh, the piranha. Where they? No, there's gone to this species. I got my guy good doing that with this. No, oh. Eaten by a piranha. Okay. This is gray wolf. What the heck? No. What is? No. Where they got the gray wolf? This. Oh. Killed by a gray wolf. This is coyote. Where this coyote? A coyote, where this? No, where down, no. Killed by a coyote. Hyena! No, eaten by a hyena. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's make the animal advance. It's the black bear. What is black bear? What the heck is the black bear? I cannot hear this. Mauled by a black bear. Oh my gosh, this is the brown bear. What the heck? The brown bear. Where is I doing not? This is the bear. Mauled by a brown bear. This is the polar bear. What the heck is a polar bear? Ah. Mauled by a polar bear. Ah! The tiger, the horrible! Oh my gosh, I'm doing this! Hunted by a tiger. This is another tiger, the white tiger. Ah, what the heck is the white tiger? Oh, hunted by a white tiger. Hunted by a white tiger. I think it is that's here. Today is hunted by a lion because I'll get hunted. There's the white tiger. The lion get raining. I gonna be too sick. Oh, what the heck, the lion? With this. Ow! Oh, the lion! Where this? Oh, goodness. Eaten by a lion. Okay, let's go changing the animal. Okay, is the jaguar? What the heck? You can assembly the tiger. Hunted by a jaguar. Okay, with this. You get eaten by a lion. Oh guys, it's raining. It's the leopard. What the heck? It's the leopard. I mean, assembly not dismembered by a leopard. It's the black bull. What the heck is the black bull? It's good to get the blue, but the bull, they're not the cow. Ow. Trampled by a black bull. It's a brown bull. What the heck is the bull? Read this. Ow. Ow. Trampled by a brown bull. It's the rhino. It's the rhino. Rhino, no! You can't attack me! Trampled by a rhinoceros. It's the moose. Moose! I do not with this. Oh, no. Kicked by a moose. It's so cold here. It's the Benson. What the heck is the Benson? Or did the deal or trampled by a Benson? It's the Guinea antelope. What the heck is the Guinea antelope? Oh my gosh, we're this. You get frozen in the morning. Kicked by a Guinea antelope. Kicked by a Guinea antelope. Mono trumple. Is the wild boar. Oh my gosh, the wild boar! Wait for me now! Ow! Mauled by a wild boar. This is the cassowary. Cassowary, no! With this... Ow! Rip it open by a cassowary. Cassowary. The piranha. What the heck? The piranha! Tiger, there's attacking the fishy. No. Oh. There it is. No. Oh no. Eaten by a piranha. Ow. This is a gray wolf. What the heck is the wolf? What the heck? No. You cannot get done this. Killed by a gray wolf. This is no, the black bear. Right, it's the coyote. Oh my gosh, the coyote! What the heck? We get attacked. We mean not. Ow! Killed by a coyote. What the heck? The hyena! We got me caught with this? Oh my gosh! Ow! Eaten by a hyena. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's make animal advance. Is the black bear? Is the aggressive? What the heck? Is the black bear? What the heck? Mauled by a black bear. Okay. It's a brown bear. What the heck? Oh no. What the heck? Mauled by a brown bear. Is the polar bear? What the heck? Mauled by a polar bear. Is the tiger? Tiger the horrible! What the heck? Dismembered by a tiger. Okay. Let's go to the next animal. No way. Is the hairy animal the uncle? What the heck? Is the white tiger? Dismembered by a white tiger. The tiger dismembered by a tiger. Dismembered by a white tiger. But you have to play mini block craft. Get today the episode to make the survival craft or the mini block craft. It's the lion. What the heck? What the heck? Ow! Haunted by a lion. Eaten by a lion. Okay, it's the jaguar. What the heck? It's the jaguar. Ow. Eaten by a jaguar. With the camera here. Become good with the summer. Get here. Become coming the nights were the day at the night. More than more advance. I make the sea advance. Too. Is the leopard. What the heck? It's the leopard. Ow. Eaten by a leopard. Okay, that's with the black bull. What the heck is the bull? What the heck? What the heck? No way. Oh. Trampled by a black bull. This is the brown bull. What the heck is the brown bull? What the heck? No. Oh. Trampled by a brown bull. To play mini blockcraft with unlimited money. Play mini blockcraft. Okay. Rhino! No! No! Trampled by a rhinoceros. Wait. Okay, let's go to this animal here, the moose. What the heck is the moose? Oh my gosh. Wait. Ow. Kicked by a moose. Moose. The Benson. What the heck? The Benson. Ow. Trampled by a Benson. I want me call this on the bison. Okay. Is the guinea antelope? What? Guinea antelope! Wait. Ow. Ow. Kicked by a guinea antelope. Today's the werewolf guys. I get turned into the day the werewolf get here and get be massacred. But not today because the get jumping here. Okay. It's the wild boar. Ah! The wild boar. Oh my gosh, no. Ow. Mauled by a wild boar. Today's the werewolf that you're changing to the grey wolf. The piranha can meet the bull shark because survival craft have limit of creatures. There's the wild boar, the bear. Okay, the cassowary. What the heck is the cassowary? Ow. Raped opened by a cassowary. I got bit to changing here to the werewolf. Today is the Mega Knights here. I not have this. Oh my gosh. This is the piranha. Where's the piranha? Where's the piranha? Where's this? Wait! Ow! Eaten by a piranha. I go to change. Okay, it's the grey wolf. What the heck? It is the grey wolf. What? What is? Oh! Killed by a grey wolf. The grey was aggressive, right? It's the coyote. What the heck is the coyote? This door. What the heck? Ow. Killed by a coyote. No, more by a coyote. It's the hyena. Where the hyena? Ow. Eaten by a hyena. Okay. Guys, it's the werewolf. Get Journey! Get Journey with the werewolf. What the heck? No, what this? Oh my gosh. Massacred by a werewolf. This is the black bear. What the heck? It's the black bear. Mauled by a black bear. Is the what the heck you get stuck? What the heck is the brown bear? What the heck? Ow. Mauled by a brown bear. Okay. Oh my god. What the heck is a polar bear? Ow. Mauled by a polar bear. Okay, let's go the tiger. The tiger, okay? Tiger be this never. Ah! It's horrible! Eaten by a tiger. It's the white tiger. Ah! It's the white tiger. Wait, ow! Hunted by a white tiger. Do they all the lion be eaten, okay? May I know this to make the animal? I get bad on my microphone. The lion. What the heck? It's the lion. Ow. Eaten by a lion. Eaten or get hunted. The lion. The brown bear killed the gray wolf. I think already. This is the jaguar. What the heck? It's the jaguar. Ow! Hunted by a jaguar. Fazendo this. Let's go to the leopard. I made this. Tomando bem da day. What the heck is the leopard? Oh my gosh. Ow. Hunted by a leopard. With the jaguar and leopard get be hunted. Okay, let's go to the black bull. Get here. The black bull. What the heck? I get jumping. What the heck? No! Trampled by a black bull. Okay, this the brown bull. What the heck? He's the bull. It's the brown bull, the uncle. What the heck? Ow. Trampled by a brown bull. Brown bull. Wait, where is? It been at night. They not the werewolf. The rhinoceros. Rhino, no! Mauled by a rhinoceros. Okay. The attack with the rhinoceros and in episode 35. This is special in my phone. What the heck is the moose? Ow. Trampled by a moose. There you might be now. At the short time. Because with this. I'm attacking the bear awareness. The Benson. What the heck? The Benson. Ow. Trampled by a Benson. Okay. How does the animal advance? That's so cool. and amazing. The GNU antelope. Ah! I do the harness. No warning. No warning. Ow. Kicked by a GNU antelope. The wild boar. What the heck? The wild boar. What the heck? Not me. Where this? Ow! Mauled by a wild boar. Mauled with a bear. Which animal? The cassowary. The grey wolf, coyote, the hyena. 24 animals. Oh, cassowary. Cassowary, yes. Ripe opened by a cassowary. Okay, let's go to the grey wolf. All the animals. The grey wolf. What the heck? Oh, killed by a grey wolf. You can say killed by a grey wolf. Coyote. Coyote. What the heck? Killed by a coyote. This is a hyena. What the heck? Okay, we got match guess. Eaten by a hyena. Let's go to the sea animals. Because get your piranha added a new sea animal in this advance. This is the piranha. Eaten by a piranha. Let's go to the barracuda. We shouldn't be the episode 37. Ow! Beaten by a barracuda. Let's go to the versions. Dismembered by a bull shark. Because of the tiger shark, the large animal. Dismembered by a tiger shark. Let's go the last one. We're getting on a fog and the raining. Return the white bull. Do not aggressive. What the heck is the white bull? Ow. Trampled by a white bull. Ah! What the heck? Crushed by an orca. Killed by an orca. What the heck? Killed by a beluga whale. Crushed by a beluga whale.